What is up, guys? This is Chris, aka No Risk, No Premium, and welcome back to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. Well, we were pretty goddamn spot on yesterday, so if I had to give my goddamn self a goddamn pat on the back, then I did today. Okay, what did we do? Well, we said what? We had a bullish engulfing candle here, right? And then we had our inverse head and shoulders on some of the smaller time frames, 1 hour, 30 minute, 4 hour. Okay, and then we did a very important thing. We held, basically opened at 415, dipped below, reclaimed it, and went Ripper McGill. So we said as long as we reclaim 415, we go to 417. Okay. And then when we got to 417, okay, the beginning of the gap fill pretty much, we rejected it. Okay. Based all day long, right? Based all day long, and then had a nice squeeze into the close into the gap. So what we're looking for tomorrow is what? I would want to see the completion and close of this gap here. 421.22, 421.22, 421.22, 421.22. Write that down. Text your mom, text your wife, text your boyfriend, text whoever, and tell them to text you at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow and say 421.22. Very, very, very important. So levels are simple. Okay. I would short 421.22. Okay. Once we complete that gap, I think that's the best trade. Now, if we open the same spot that we are at now and we back test the 418, okay, and hold, then I'd want to get long up to that 421, right? 22 area. Okay. But tomorrow's important because look, we have, just a fucking data dump of fucking economic info that's given out, all happening right before market open. Okay. So we should get some movement. But then everybody's going to wait for this motherfucker right here. If you don't know who Jerome Powell is, he's the chairman of the Fed. He is Mr. Fuck Your Puts. Okay. So what to expect tomorrow? Possible gap up. Okay. Because the market just seems to be basing right here as this closed throughout this overnight session so far. Possible gap up, but I'd say a quick directional move at open and then a base into Powell. So tomorrow will be tricky because you have all the data in the morning, so you'll get a move, and then you have him speaking, and they're going to want to wait to see what he has to say. Okay. For me, my bias lean is long. Okay. My bias lean is long because I don't think he comes out overly hawkish. I think he says we have to stick to what we've done before, which is to what? Watch the data. What is the data telling us? Is inflation down? Yeah. Is job market tight? Yes. Is PCE down? Is CPI down? Yes. Okay. Right. And if those things all click, then it's likely that we head higher. Okay. But we won't know. You have to listen to what he has to say. So it'd be pretty smart if you fucking turned on your goddamn YouTube or whatever the hell the link is that we're going to post, so you guys listen to what he has to say. Okay. And then it's all about, okay, you want to make sure there's usually a fake out move. Okay. When he says something, you'll know. He'll say something that'll trigger the market. There'll be a little fake out, right? And kind of expect to play it like the FMOC meeting, right? There's going to be some fake outs and traps. You'll want to play the action after you know the current direction, or once you know the confirmed direction. Okay. But levels are simple, guys. Resistance still 421, 22, 425, 429. Okay. Supports still being, I'd say now 415, 412, 410, 407, 400 below. Okay. Get up early, get your levels right. Dissect the data that comes down, understand what it means, ask questions if you don't, and don't do anything fucking stupid. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.